Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. All his life, our Shaykh, Sahib al-Saif, Shaykh Abdul Karim al-Kibrisi, Rabbani. He was running after to bring people back to their own reality. We came from our Creator, and that is our return. His whole life is running for that. He is not separating black or white, brown or yellow, his family or not his family, Turks or Arabs or Pakistanis. His mission was for the whole world, to make us to remember we came from our Lord. Every one of us, before we're sent into this world, divided by languages, divided by color, divided by ethnicity. And our return is to that purity. And all his life, he ran after to make people to make zikr, to remember their Lord, saying, your Lord never forgets you, but you forget your Lord. Remember Him. Because in the remembrance of Allah, the remembrance of your Lord, life will come to you. The biggest galaxies that they are turning, they are taking their energy from somewhere to the smallest atoms that are turning. They take their energy from somewhere. And they're taking that energy from La ilaha illallah, nothing else. Understanding that there is only one reality, our Creator. In these days, when majority of mankind, we're not dividing Christian, Muslim, Jew, Hindu believers, they are forgetting their Lord. And in these times, Allah is still remembering us. And He is still calling to us. We're remembering this day because everything about our Shaykh is making us to remember Allah. Just as everything about the Prophet ﷺ is making us to remember Allah. These are the men of Allah. When you see them, you will remember Allah. This is our duty. This is our work until we pass from this world. Never forget this, inshallah. And Allah has given days and nights for us to remember this and to come together. Because to remember Him alone is something else. To remember Him in a Jamaat, it is something else. And Allah is saying, be Jami. Now is not the time to be alone. But don't be in the Jamaat, in the community that is making you to forget your Lord. Be in the community that is going to remind you of your Lord. Because this world is finished. There is nothing left from this world. There is no happiness. You find happiness, but there are 1,000 people who find complete disaster. And these ones who have disaster in their lives, we are able to have this happiness because they're going through that. To be a believer is to wake up. May Allah never make us to fall asleep to our ego and to shaitan. May Allah raise the station of our Shaykh. May Allah make us to remember more and to become more sincere, inshallah. Al-Fatiha.